plan we did when we were ambushing you guys when you were over there.
He's way at the top of that hill. Kid in black sniping. Kid in blue has got a fully/semi-automatic gun. They're against the shotgun and assault rifle.
God dang it.
He's got a phone call.
Yeah.
He's having gun problems.
I don't know. I'm in the middle of war. Alright, bye-bye. I'll rush him.
Of course he will. He got hit.
No way.
Dude, the kid in purple there just caught the BB that hit him. This is Airsoft. Dude, you caught it? That's insane. But he epically failed and got hit.
He's dead? He's dead.
Of course he will.
Dude, stop. Matt. Stop.
Matt's in blue.
There's somebody up there. 12 o'clock. What is it? Trees blocking off. Thankfully, sweatshirt.
No, I'm not. I'm wearing my sweatshirt. Dude, he probably ran around. He's sitting in the prairie. Just sitting there waiting. When you guys walk by, he's gonna shoot. It's in that prairie. What? I think that's fine. Ah, owned. You only pulled the trigger once. How'd you shoot him twice?
Because I hit it twice. Duh. You pull the trigger. No, you don't.
Dude, that gun sounds freaking amazing.
Oh shit! Dude, you got a great tempo.
That's the gun they're talking about.
You and here too, and
It's like,
Dude, they
Matt.
totally cheated.
Yeah.
They totally told me where you were.
you're a faggot. You should cut some faggot. Your wife's down there.
Why are you sweatshirt calling?
Yeah. You like that? I set that up there.
Where'd you get that? You were not wearing it.
Yeah, I was. Before I was.
Can we see something blue?